Today's expression is cough up.
Things will be different if you just cough up what we need.
Of course, we use cough up whenever we are referring to expelling something from your throat or your lungs. For example, the doctors were worried when she started to cough up blood. But we also use cough up to refer to handing over something or relinquishing something unwillingly. Check out this example. Akeem just had to cough up $60 for a parking fine. Or Akeem just had to pay or unwillingly give $60 for a parking fine.